Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto every day. I am your host with the most, Wendy O. Let's get into it. Very, very strange news coming out of Crypto R Us. Warren Buffett backed bank launches first Bitcoin ETF in Latin America. Yes, you heard that correctly. And this is a little bizarre because didn't Warren trash Bitcoin for quite some time? Let's go ahead and take a look at the key points of this article. The Brazilian stock market opened today to celebrate Bitcoin, trading on the Brazilian stock exchange under the ticker QBTC1. The new 100% Bitcoin ETF is the first ever in Latin America. So we have a Bitcoin ETF that was launched in Latin America, but not the United States. And if you look at this tweet from Bitcoin Archive, they tweeted something similar. The first Latin America Bitcoin ETF will launch today in Brazil. Meanwhile, US delaying and delaying. There's no lie detected there, guys. But the kicker here is Warren. The article further states, on June 9th, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway invested $500 million in the parent company of Nubank, which is offering this Bitcoin ETF with QR Capital. Nubank is tied to this ETF as they acquired a former early invest in 2020. The Bitcoin investment in Nubank conspicuously came on only weeks later after the Bitcoin ETF was announced. Also, Goldman Sachs has invested in Nubank, loaning them $50 million in 2016, when former Bitcoin skeptics like Buffett notably called Bitcoin rat poison squared. A few years ago are now investing in banks who are Bitcoin friendly and are offering Bitcoin ETFs. We can be sure of global adoption. There's no lie detected here, you guys. These people, what they'll do very shadily, they will bash Bitcoin, they will say bad things about it. But then behind closed doors, they will invest. They will invest in products that support it. Always follow the money, not what people say. Let's take a look at the chart. This is our Bitcoin daily chart. And we have successfully been able to get back in the vibe and consolidate zone. I am over the moon. And we are currently testing approximately $34,520, right where that adorable little EMA 9 is. And I'm happy to see us there. Taking a look at the MACD looks like it's getting ready to bull cross again and head up. However, we do have some heavy resistance if we want to hit 37,347 at the top of this vibe and consolidate area. Obviously, we need to really flip $42,000, but instead of focusing on what could happen in the next few weeks, I want to focus on shorter term price action. If we can sustain 33,400, we can vibe and consolidate, which would be bullish. If we fail to vibe and consolidate, we could see another touchdown to approximately $31,370. Thank you so much to all of my supporters. I was featured in the Washington Post today. I have my own article about Wendy O, what I do, what this channel is about, my TikTok, and my passion for educating and helping the other underdogs survive. If you want to go ahead and read this and check it out, it would mean a lot to me. I might talk a little bit about my personal story here. Not too terribly much, but again, thank you so much to all of you for supporting me. TikTok has been an amazing platform for me, and so has YouTube, especially those of you who have supported me from earlier on and saw the potential in me, because didn't have a whole lot of people that believed in me, but you guys did. Thank you again. It was a very sad day in cryptocurrency and tech history. Antivirus software creator John McAfee found DEAD in Spanish prison cell, authorities say. Some people say it was S, others say that it was a hit. Unfortunately, right now, we do not know. The only thing I can say is my condolences go out to John's family and Janice, his wife. Regardless of what type of person John was, I'm not here to defend him, but I am here to give my condolences to his family that is still around. Also, too, you can say what you want to say about John, but he really embodied part of the ethos of Bitcoin. He was a person that stood up for what he believed in. And again, not saying I agree with everything he did. He didn't want to pay his crypto taxes or any taxes, and he didn't pay them. And he went on the run to really say how he felt. However, let's go ahead and talk about this next tweet that I saw. It's a little bit interesting. This next tweet is from Time Traveler Anonymous. Etherscan wallet Epstein with the tracker ID, wakes up after being asleep, starts sending unknown addresses. McAfee may not be bluffing about a dead man's switch. So basically what a dead man's switch is, and that he said that he had, is if something happens to him malicious, he is going to release a lot of public information. Some of the stuff in the thread is very conspiracy theorist. That's okay though. I'm not here to judge anybody. I'm just talking about what is presented. So you can go ahead and see token whack transactions, what's happening with it on Etherscan. Down over here, it's pretty much posting different tweets that he had put out. Also to this tweet over here, I'm going to have you guys take a look yourself. I'm not going to read it because it gets a little bit deep down that rabbit hole. But pretty much I would pay attention to what's going on to see if this kill switch in fact is actually true and what is the outcome of it. Also to a lot of, as many of you guys know that have followed John, I've had him on the show before. We've talked about different things. You're more than welcome to watch that. There's a great episode with him and his wife Janice. Also too, it's going to be interesting to hear what Janice has to say about the whole situation, because a lot of people are saying X happened, a lot of people are saying it didn't happen, but realistically she is his wife and she will be able to confirm those things, but at the same time we should respect her as a person. That's just my opinion. Next. Huobi, new US affiliate set to go live next month. So the new company is part of Huobi's efforts to make a return to the US market. So basically it's a Nevada-based Huobi Trust Co., which is a subsidiary of Huobi Tech. Will go live by the end of July. It is a Hong Kong-based public company acquired by Huobi founder Leon Lin through a reverse takeover in 2018. They state over here as well, the latest move comes 6 months after Huobi Trust won a true license from the Nevada Financial Institutions Division. So this is bullish news. It's good because it means we're going to have a large company with a lot of money, a very popular cryptocurrency exchange. Y'all got that from TikTok, operating in the US that are going to be compliant to laws. So I think it's a good positive thing. This next story is about Solana. Y'all know I love it. Solana, we're going to chart it right after this. Tesla, Facebook, Google stocks launch on the Solana blockchain. Over 50 tokenized stocks can now be traded across platforms built on Solana. Ooh. Down over here in Breathe. Digital Asset AG has launched free floating tokenized stocks for trading on Solana, a blockchain supported by cryptocurrency exchange FTX, where it's available for buying. Blockfolio is my partner for true transparency here, and I love working with them because I like what they're doing. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at Solana. Taking a look at Solana, she has held incredibly well above the EMA 200, and this is why I am still bullish on Solana. I have not bought in any more as of yet, but I will if we get another dip down, and I will be making sure to set alerts on my phone. I actually posted some of my positions on TikTok. I will try to do them here. It is on my Blockfolio app. Anyways, you guys, we are above $30, the $30 support area, which is great. We do have some heavy resistance presented in this range between about $30 to approximately $37. Once $37 is flipped into support, it is full send. However, we do have a lot of work to do, and we may have an opportunity to buy back down here at approximately $23. If we lose the EMA 200 and we actually break below it and close, not like these swing wick lows here, I would be a little bit concerned. Right now, I still do think Solana is great under $40, and that's where I have been buying. Last story, which is really, really important, babes. DeFi insurance upstart Risk Harbor goes live with $3.25 million in seed funding. Risk Harbor uses on-chain rules and smart contracts to automate payouts for insurance claims. This is for DeFi projects. If you were in DeFi, I would probably check them out. Reason being is it's always good to have insurance, and DeFi is so risky. We see projects rug pulling, all this crazy stuff happening. It's good to have a little bit of insurance. Anyway, I think it's a great idea, and check it out if that's something that you are interested in, because human error is a real thing, and on top of it, we got a lot of shady teams out there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. Bye-bye.